Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a critical aspect of biotech mastering, the quality guidelines Q5A to Q5E for biotechnological products. These guidelines are essential for ensuring the safety, purity, and efficacy of our products. First up, Q5A. It's all about viral safety. The goal here is to minimize the risk of viral contamination in biotech products. It covers everything from testing raw materials to the final product, ensuring they're free from harmful viruses. This is crucial because even a tiny viral contamination can have serious implications. Moving on to Q5B. This guideline focuses on the characterization and quantification of DNA recombinant-derived proteins. Essentially, it's about understanding the protein structure and ensuring it matches the intended design. This includes analyzing the primary structure, post-translational modifications, and biological activity. Next, Q5C, stability testing of biotechnological and biological products. Stability testing is fundamental in determining how long a product remains effective and safe under various conditions. It involves rigorous testing to establish the shelf life and storage conditions of the product. Q5D deals with the derivation and characterization of cell substrates used for production. This guideline ensures the cell substrates are well characterized, safe, and free from contaminants. It covers everything from the origin and history of the cell line to its genetic stability and testing for adventitious agents. Finally, Q5E. This one is about comparability of biotechnological biological products. When there are changes in the manufacturing process, Q5E provides a framework to ensure the product remains comparable to the original. It's about maintaining quality and consistency, even with process changes. So, mastering these guidelines is crucial for anyone in the biotech field. They ensure that our products are safe, effective, and of the highest quality. All right, let me wrap this up. Discover deeper insights into Solutions Max and our commitment to tailored resources and support. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your comprehensive platform for streamlined management of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Achieve efficiency and peace of mind with our integrated ecosystem designed specifically for your requirements. Visit pharmamax.org for detailed information. Still unsure? Need additional assistance? Don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of in-house compliance and validation experts specializes in regulatory strategies for manufacturing review and submissions. Thank you for your attention. In pharmaceuticals, excellence is not just an act, but a habit. Stay informed and stay safe until next time. For more details, visit pharmamax.org or email us at contact@solutionsmax.com for a prompt response.